What if SoCal has a canyon even wilder than the Santa Paula Punch Bowls, and almost no one is talking about it? Today, HikeBytes and Lopez Explorer push deep into the canyons of the Matilija Wilderness, searching for hidden pools, towering walls, and a place that feels completely lost in California. The deeper we went, the crazier it got. This video is our evidence. You decide what canyon wins. We're on Matilija Canyon Road, headed to the Matilija Falls Trailhead and parking lot. There's only about 25 spaces there. Get here early on the weekend, or you'll have to hike an extra 5 miles on the road just to get here. Matilija Canyon Ranch, we're heading in, guys. Let's go.
Oh, look at you.
You're definitely going to get your shoes wet on this one, so you might as well start early. There's an easement here, and you're going to pass by a ranch that has a dog.
No. Oh, look, he has the bear mace.
You never know.
And that's not for bears. That's actually for dogs at the private residence, because last time it jumped the wall and almost bit Heidi, so
Yep.
we came prepared this time. So Ignacio is crossing the creek. Once you cross the creek, you'll see a marker up there. See that white marker? We're not going up there, it gets too bushy. We're cutting down into the creek here. I'll put a waypoint here on my AllTrails map, plus you'll have my trail line. It's a custom trail that we're making there because we're gonna go behind the falls. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Epic. I've seen it on Google Earth, looks amazing.
I can't wait to show you.
Okay, this is where we're entering the creek, and we're just gonna head down. You'll see Ignacio, and head on up. Okay, AllTrails is telling me I'm off route, but don't follow the route. Follow our custom route, because you're gonna end up getting washed out and bushed out. Head into the creek and we'll have waypoints. Look at this beautiful scenery, guys.
Right away, you're going to notice the geology of Matilija Wilderness is fascinating.
Doesn't that look like a feature in someone's backyard right there?
I'm sure you can tell by now you're going to be climbing and bouldering the whole way. Please take our advice and do not follow the trail line into the mountains. We did it on the way back and paid dearly. Steep, dangerous, and heavily bushed out. About a mile and a half in, we ran into Ash, a longtime follower of both our channels. She joined us with incredible vibes, good energy, and a great companion to make this hike with. Thanks for joining us, Ash.
That is a nice deep swim hole. I may have to cool off.
Okay, I got a Spanish lesson from Ignacio. It's Matilija. And what you'll notice about Matilija is its swim holes. Look at this, guys.
Going in. Yeehaw. Woo.
I actually lost count of how many swim holes, and I passed on this because there's probably 10 more. Definitely keep your eyes out for fossils. Last time I was here, I found 2. And we made a whole video of just the first fall. You can check it out if you'd like to. I'll put it in the video description. The waters of Matilija in this canyon are beautiful emerald green, and the geology will fascinate you in between each swim hole. Get ready for scenic views. Maybe I'm preaching to the choir, but please don't carry your water on your back. Bring a water filter. I use Sawyer, but anything will do. Look at this swim hole. Can you believe it? All of us enjoyed the terrain, and here's Ash coming down that beautiful canyon. Sometimes Lopez led, sometimes I did, and sometimes Ash. We just all chilled together and enjoyed this journey. At this tributary junction, go left. The other tributary will connect with this one and you'll get back on track, but this side is so much more beautiful. I think you'll think so. If someone gets a count on all these swim holes, go ahead and reach out and let me know in the comments.
There's really two routes. This route's a little harder, this one's a little easier. But you look at the color of this water, God, it is so beautiful.
Honestly, there is a surprise at every corner. I already joined Ignacio and Ash on about 3 of these swim holes, but this one really got my attention. And I'm going to show you what's underwater. It's beautiful. What's coming around this corner will delight you. The last time we were here, Heidi and I, this place was a lot deeper and I was able to swim and jump in. I know that Lopez jumped in on that right side over there. He said it was about 8 feet deep. It's constantly changing with the water running through and the rocks breaking up and adding character to each step of this creek. It's an amazing place and it will always look different every time you come. Ignacio already arrived at the main tributary junction, which leads to the main fall or to the upper grotto Matilija Falls. Can't wait to show you guys, but take a note here to be able to see both waterfalls. Each one is unique and full of adventure. You're looking straight up the tributary that leads to that canyon and Grotto Fall. This side goes straight up to the main fall. Each one you gotta check out. The approach to the main fall that we featured in our last video is something to behold. It doesn't seem like it's on Earth. It's otherworldly. Take a look and I think you'll understand why. You're seeing tectonic uplift from the Pacific and North American plates colliding and shearing one another into these odd twisted shapes. Absolutely magnificent to view. The unique color combination of the yellow and green together against this rock shell is so unique to the Matilija Wilderness, and we love it here. I don't think I've seen a place even close to this, maybe in other parts of the world, but absolutely spectacular. Your ascent to the falls is something you'll never forget, and that's why I love coming here. You'll have a memory that'll stick with you for a lifetime. The waterfall here is so tempting to get underneath. I know there's possible danger, maybe a rock could come through, but the flow was light, the sun was out, and I was hot, and I enjoyed every second of it. But enter at your own risk. Ignacio and I were dying to get above this fall to see what we could see, but it was just too dangerous. Now it's time for us to explore the second tributary and canyon to Matilija Grotto Falls. And a lot more than that. Can't wait to show you. Oh yes, there's snakes, both rattle and river snakes. If you're squeamish, this is not your place. The daunting, rugged landscape shifts to a peaceful, tranquil paradise inside the canyon. Would you look at this beautiful, narrow canyon? Whoa! Really recommend trekking poles. At least one. This water is so pure and clean. I just want you guys to see it. Just bring a filter. Don't carry 3 liters of water on your back because you'll probably need that much. That would be an extremely difficult workout. That reminds me, Ignacio earned his angel wings on this one. He carried Ash's backpack all the way back from the main falls here in the canyon. And it's a difficult hike. Just be prepared and know what you're in for. Are you kidding me? Look at the color of this. Oh. Oh, we got a little snake right here. Look at this beautiful part of the canyon. Got this tree overhang. You got springs leaking on the side of the cliff here. Wow, what a beautiful swim hole. Look at the springs just trickling out of the side here. Is that gorgeous? Oh, that is so cool. I may have to drink out of that. I think
think I'm gonna. Oh, I can taste the mineral. Very tangy. Look at that. Is that wild? Okay, this thing is right around the corner, and this is a lower fall just before the big fall. I can't wait to show you guys. Look at that. Well, here's the upper fall, just right up there. Can't wait to go see it. Is this crazy? Oh, yes! Oh, that is so beautiful. Bunch of little tadpoles in here. Wow. I can't wait to get in there. Crazy cave. Yeah. No way. Are you checking that out, guys? Woo. Well, I got to check out this pool too. Oh, this one's a sit bath. Perfect. About 4 feet. Well, I got to see what's behind here. Ignacio and Ash is coming, and once they get here, we'll go climb up these ropes. What a beautiful place.
I purposely shot this in one clip with a camera on my head with a strap. That way you could see how long it takes to get up there and what kind of endurance you need. It took about 1 minute and 20 seconds, and I took a small break in the middle to look at the fall. You have to transition between about 3 different segments of the rope. A few of it's thinner, but there's some nice knots, so you can grab on with a good grip. I don't know who put it here, but thanks so much. It made it much safer. I would have went for it either way, but this one just made me feel really confident. I checked the security of the ropes at the time I went. They seemed secure. The ropes seemed very durable, but obviously you got to do this at your own risk. Be safe out there, guys. Ignacio is just about 50 yards behind me. He's gonna join me, and we're gonna check out this infinity pool and beyond. I don't know about you, but I'm really attracted to pools like that, especially with that emerald green water and no sediment in it. Couldn't wait to get down there and get a view of the fall from the top and cool off. After that hard workout, you've earned it. I will tell you, the rocks are grippy up here. I know the moss can change things where the water flow is, but I found it very grippy and I felt comfortable coming down here. Actually, quite safe. Honestly, I don't know if you can put a price on this view from on top of the falls, but you've heard it said before, the $1 million view. Oh, I might call this the $5 million view. Wow, and it's all for free. Just exert some energy and work hard to get here. Wow, the payoff is huge, guys. The views from up here are something I'll never forget. I've discovered with hiking and taking adventures, never forget to look behind you. You might miss something. Well, this is something no one should miss. A local paradise. Just a short climb over these boulders and a swim to the base of a roped ledge.
Oh, are you kidding me? Look at that.
And you'll find yourself at the base of a majestic waterfall.
Oh,
It's okay. No, this is way too deep.
Just a really short climb and you're there.
all right. Yeah. Would you look at that? Oh. Yeah, this is pretty impressive. Loving this. Look at that, guys.
Hey, thanks for joining us today on this incredible adventure. But I have one more thing to share with you. Those who love those little bit wilder adventures, we started something called HikeBytes Insider. You just go to www.hikebytes.com and sign up with your email. I'll send you an adventure pack with 3D satellite Google images so you can survey the land, click and go custom AllTrails navigation from AllTrails, and more.
Oh my God. You would not believe what's back there.
Epic.
Oh, unbelievable. Woo.
How did you get
Ash was curious how I got behind the waterfall to this cave grotto with all these ferns. So I went ahead and showed her how to make the climb, put a camera on my head, and this is going to be my closing shot. I haven't had an experience like this in, I don't know, ever. But what a beautiful thing. And you can jump through into about a 5-foot pool pretty safely if you know what you're doing, and enjoy the rush. Thanks so much for watching and joining Ignacio with Lopez Explorer and Sean with HikeBytes. Heidi will make it on the next one. She took a break. And until your next adventure, remember, explore nature with us at HikeBytes, one bite at a time.
Can hardly believe this place. Yeah!